guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guessed it, we have an unboxing. And if you've been paying attention, this will be the first unboxing for a bag. This is the first bag that I've bought myself since October of 2018. Now, I did this as sort of like a treat. I am celebrating a not insignificant milestone in my life this week, and I decided, of course, because I'm me and I'm crazy, we are commemorating this occasion with a new handbag from FASHIONPHILE. Got some Prosecco. We're celebrating because I'm damn proud of myself. That's why. Another thing too is I did end up selling a bag in order to get this bag, so I probably need to stop being so sentimental, but whatever. Now that we've put our violins away, this, once again, is the first bag that I've purchased for myself since October of 2018. So it's been a while since I bought myself something from FASHIONPHILE. This seal tape is new. It says, if seal is broken, check contents before accepting. That's new. I wonder, there must be a story behind that happening. Got my little FASHIONPHILE box cutter that they sent me a couple years ago, and I finally get to use it to unbox something. So I am super excited. If you watch my wish list, I'm gonna leave it up here. I would like to see your guesses as to what I purchased. I'll tell you, this is not the #1 bag from my wish list. It was probably like the #2 or #3, but this is just one that I feel like, we'll see, you'll see. Finally got this tape cut. Look at that. I love the FASHIONPHILE packaging. There's just nothing better. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Have our beautiful box. I'm sure you guys are familiar with the FASHIONPHILE packaging. Oh wait, I was about to say there's no confetti in here, but confetti is a go. So right, I have, you know, the thank you card. I have probably my receipt and everything in here. A little bit of that. That was terrible. I'm leaving it in, but we're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. I have a nail file. It says FASHIONPHILE. I have a couple of these, but this one is new. The back of this one says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Cheers! I want you guys, if you have any guesses as to what is inside of this bag. I'm gonna put this aside for a second because there's something really cute here that was never a part of their packaging, because again, it has been a minute since I've made a purchase from them. And just look what it says. Thank you from the bottom of this box. And now I'm making a mess of the confetti. So aside from now, I used, as always, the FASHIONPHILE Reserve, I think is what they call it, plan, because, you know, I just wasn't sure. I wanted to take some time on the purchase, and I finally found this item at a price that I liked, but I just, again, wanted to make sure that I didn't find anything else that I wanted, or just wanted to make sure that I had my heart set on this bag, and I think I do. So here's our bag and the paper, and once again, we're still fielding guesses. If you have any idea what is inside of here. The first new bag added to my collection in over a year. I really didn't think that I was going to be able to resume, and not even resume, I guess let's not be able to shop luxury, but here we are, me and my new bag. It came with a FASHIONPHILE dust bag, and it did not come with its own dust bag, but we have the Louis Vuitton Bloomsbury in the GM size. This bag, if you watch my wish list video, you'll know that I desperately wanted something that was big enough to hold my laptop, but just wasn't a massively huge huge bag. Specifically, the one I was carrying today is my Givenchy shopper, and yeah, this is a huge bag. This is the same size as the Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM, and like I want this to be able to hold a laptop, but not necessarily like overpower me. So we have our crossbody strap. This is in really, really good condition. Just inspect it. Yeah, there's some scuffing on the corner here and there, but otherwise, I have a zip pocket on the outside, zippered closure, crossbody strap, and yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm gonna grab my laptop. I have my 13-inch MacBook, Bloomsbury GM. Is it a fit? Is it a fit? Y'all. Yes. 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 Mission accomplished. So now we're gonna do mod shots. I'm not gonna take the paper off yet. I'm gonna play around with it. This is a bag from 2010, so it's 10 years old, and it is in really, really good shape. I've seen these on the market, like pre-owned, and some of them will have like cracking along the zipper. This has none of that, and it fits my laptop. Yes, like this to me is gonna be like my mini everyday bag. Maybe possibly to work, but like this is gonna be my everyday bag. It's gonna be like I'm going to like the cafe or restaurant, and you know, I am so happy that I'm the proud owner of another handbag into my collection, and Bloomsbury GM. I will link some others down below. This is another discontinued bag, but just know that all of my daily essentials will be able to be housed in here, including my laptop. What I was really missing in my collection was just something that was wide enough for my laptop, but just not massive, and this is not massive. It is the large size of this bag, but it's not like a just ginormous, huge, massive bag, and I can carry it on the shoulder or crossbody. Like right now, it's on the shortest setting, and it goes longer to be worn crossbody, but I really see this as more of a shoulder bag. We'll see how that ends up going. Cheers to me and my new bag and my accomplishment. But in all seriousness, I really just so appreciate all of your kind words and support. I've had a pretty interesting year for 2019 and the beginning of 2020, and you know what? More great stuff to come. Thank you all for being a part of my life, and I wouldn't be here without each and every single one of you. I'm gonna go show you guys some mod shots on this once again, and if you have any questions about this bag, I will give you like a sort of first impression tour maybe in a couple of weeks. If you guys are just interested in that, let me know. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm gonna leave my wish list video right here for you guys to see sort of like my justification around this, sort of like what I was going for. And cheers. I will see you guys in my next one.